This is not magic. This is a scientific experiment. A pencil can actually pass through two small holes that are not in the same line. Look at it from a different angle. You will find the truth of the matter. So what you see with your eyes is not always true. Cut the rhizome of a chrysanthemum. Drop different colors of coloring into 2 cups of water. Insert the flowers. After a period of time, different colored petals will be formed. Place a straw on a Coke bottle. Rub the other one with a cotton cloth vigorously. You can make the 2 straws interact with each other in space. Break a toothpick and place it on the mouth of the plastic bottle. Place a coin on top, then drop water into the bottle. The coin slowly falls into the bottle. This is the principle of surface tension of water. Sprinkle pepper into the water like crazy. Put some detergent on your finger, just a little bit. The pepper will quickly disperse in all directions. Drop some alcohol on a beer bottle wrapped in cotton thread. Light it with a lighter. Put it in cold water. The beer bottle becomes 2 halves. Did you learn it?